Hello my fellow low-end gamers, Vane here with a highly requested episode of Tweak Fix. In this episode, I'm covering Dishonored. Truth be told, I had a terrible time tweaking this game on my first attempt, only achieving about 15 frames per second, and I also experienced crashes here and there. But this time, I've managed to dial in the proper tweaks and achieve around 30 frames per second consistently on my low-end PC. Before we get into the tweaks, have a look at some gameplay footage.
Are you okay, Mother? You seem sad.
Yes, don't worry, darling. Mother is fine. Wait, where are the guards? Who sent them away?
Mother, look! What are they doing on the rooftop?
What? Emily, come here!
Get behind me! Look out!
Alright guys, download the file in the description, and let's go ahead and start the tweaking process. Alright guys, this is going to be a very simple tweak. As always, what I want you to do is navigate to Documents, My Games, Dishonored, Dishonored Game, and Config. Now in here you're going to find all the game's INI files. So what you're going to do is open up the file you downloaded in WinRAR and focus on dishonoredengine.ini. What we're going to do is just simply drag and drop. That simple, and you're done. Enjoy Dishonored with a better frame rate now, guys. Alright guys, before I leave you with the rest of the gameplay footage, just like to say that if you like this, then be sure to check out my Facebook page. I am constantly updating it, and there will also be bonus content every now and then, exclusive to my Facebook, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for tuning in guys, and until next time, take care.